Children as a whole, there are various parts of their needs that need to be looked after, and I think when you find a gap, being able to fill that gap is the most important thing.
For a career perspective, to be somewhere for kind of nearly 12, 13 years now, it's been great to grow with the business. Every day's different. I think the job satisfaction definitely comes from that kind of day-to-day work with the children.
There's no ceiling to the growth within the business and within the company, which I think is really a great opportunity for people external to be a part of and to recognise.
I went to uni and it was not my cup of tea at all. Came across Premier, came for a practical interview where they kind of see what your kind of vibe is and how you coach and kind of just your demeanour in general. The massive thing for me was I actually got to be in the job learning at the same time instead of in a classroom stuck in front of a board kind of thing. I got to be using the skills that I was learning in my sessions through education-wise in schools, which was just massively important for me.
I love the atmosphere of school, of children, and I wanted to push myself further, and this gave me the most amazing opportunity to do that.
Probably another thing that's given me a lot of pride is the staff that we work with and seeing the journeys that they go on. So coming in at 16, 17 as apprentices, maybe in an industry that they wouldn't usually think they could get into, and then being able to develop and moving through into leadership roles.
I started off going for summer camps when I was around 10, 11, so I started a lot older. I went weekly and built up an absolute love for sport. I like the rewarding feeling of seeing the kids really happy. The relationships that you have with the children are a lot different than a teacher's relationship. I'd say a teacher's relationship's a lot more strict, whereas we are like friends to the kids and we do a whole day of fun. And I definitely saw that when I was that age, and then growing up I wanted to be just like them.
I'd say it's a massive opportunity for anyone who loves sport and loves getting stuck in and doing hands-on work, because you won't find any other experience like it.
It's the first place I have found where I felt like I am home, I'm part of a team. I love what I do, I love working with children, I always have and I always will.